Today we're going to be making a Clarigramma Scratch Part 1. So, we're going to want to change the sprite to something else. So I'm just going to choose a duck. I'm going to choose a duck. And I'm going to delete the cat sprite because we don't need that. We're going to center the duck right here. So I'm going to center it. So now we centered the duck. So there's one costume, but I want to make it so when you tap on the duck, it's going to change costume. So we're going to want to like move this a little, like that. And I think we want to do that. So I think we're going to do that. So when I tap on it, so we're going to go back. And I'm going to duplicate this and make it so the wing will go down when you tap on it. So it will go like that when you tap on it, and then it'll go back. So first we're just going to change the one, and then we're going to make a variable. The variable is going to be called, we'll make it, and it's going to be called coins. And we're just going to push OK. And so now we got our coin variable. So now we're going to get when sprite clicked, change size, and change costume. So change size by 10, switch costume to duck 2. And then we're gonna wait some seconds. So probably 0.1, 0.1 right here. So they're both 0.1. And then we're gonna change the size back. So we're gonna do change size back, set size to 100 because it's already 100, and let's see what it looks like. So it's kind of slow. Oh, it's kind of slow, but we're gonna have to first. We're gonna switch costume to duck 1. Good. So we're gonna push on it. That's what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna push on it. So that looks nice. And we're also gonna change it to 2. And yeah, we're just gonna change it to a little bit bigger. Okay, that's what you say. But instead of doing change size, we do set size to 102. Good. So now we have a nice thing. And also we're gonna need to add the variable change coins by 1. Like in the middle somewhere. So now when we touch it, you can see it adds the coins right here. So that's great. Okay, now we're gonna do customizing the duck a little. So we're gonna go to costumes and we're gonna change it up a little, make it a little bit cooler. So we're gonna just put some black on it. That's cool. Yellow's kind of not stylish at all. Now we put some nice black on it. And maybe we want to put a different color for the beak. Maybe a different yellow. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely. So we're going to do a different yellow for the beak and the eyebrows. Because this definitely looks good. Just going to fill in all of these. So now it looks pretty cool. I'm going to try it out. So now if you press on it, it'll do like that. It's pretty cool right now. And then we want to put in a backdrop. Oh wait, not figure. We're gonna just search for one. Backdrop. I would pick like a backdrop that has not like something behind it or something. Try this one. That looks nice. So we have a nice backdrop that we can work with in the back. And we probably want to change the green. It won't really match where we're at, so we're probably going to change it to like a light bluish. just like that. It's pretty nice. So far it looks like that. And we're gonna start working on the coins. So we're gonna change it. We're gonna double tap on it. It's gonna say normal read aloud, large read aloud, and slider. I think we're just gonna do large. So it's just this. And then we're gonna make a little thing to put in on the side of that says coins. So we're gonna make a little circle just like that. Like that. We're gonna color it yellow so it looks nice. This is obviously going to be on top of it. We're going to put it up here. We're probably going to put it down there, like that. And then we're going to write coins in black on it. Like that. Okay. And then we also want to make the line, the outline really nice and thicker. So we're just gonna make it a little bit thicker like that. We're gonna put the coins a little bit. So now we have the coin thing, so now we're just gonna push it and look, it goes up. It goes like that. So that's what we want. And also when we push the duck, we want like we want it to say like +1, +1. So to do that, we're gonna have to go to make another sprite, paint. We made another sprite, and then we're gonna make a sprite that says +1. So we're just gonna type right here saying +1. Good. Make it a little bit bigger. Center it. We need to center everything. So there it is. And we want it only to appear when we touch the duck for a short amount of time. So we're gonna say when you touch the duck, it's gonna say something. It's gonna say broadcast. It's gonna broadcast something, and the broadcast is gonna be just trying to find. Okay, so we're gonna go right here to yellow, and we're gonna put the broadcast right next to the coins, and we're gonna make a new message that says +1. So it says +1, and then we're gonna go here and say when I receive +1, show. It's gonna show for like 0.1 seconds, and then it's gonna hide. So let's see if that works. Oh, also we're also gonna put the one flag clicked hide, so it doesn't just automatically do that. So you can see that, just saying +1, and it's like that. So if you like this tutorial and you want part 2 for the upgrades, then leave a like on this video.